AI can assist me in identification of case laws, various doctrines, but ultimately, whether a particular law or interpretation is proper or not, it should be 100% judged by a human being only. Because of technological development, our law is also integrated with this AI. During my generation, legal education is very much limited to a teacher and the learner centric. But today, I need to develop research skills in a way that they should be in a position to address or solve a particular problem. So during my generation, the legal education is very much limited to application of law. But today they need to have conceptual clarity, analysis of the thing, as well as application of that legal doctrine in a particular platform. So for me, AI and law is a very positive development. AI will never replace a legal professional. Let me put forth my opinion in a way that AI can assist me in identification of case laws, various doctrines, but ultimately, whether a particular law or interpretation is proper or not, it should be 100% judged by a human being only. Because of rapid development of economic activities, numerous disputes are coming up, but the decision maker is a human being, but AI can assist us and support us for the purpose of identification of proper set of cases which can help me to submit my arguments before a court. AI can give me a proper database, but the analysis and evaluation of the data which is prepared by AI, ultimately it is the human being, because this AI data will be trained with the help of a machine learning process. If the data is unbiased, we will get a foolproof outcome. If the data is biased, so if we fix an algorithm in a way that if a particular factual matrix is there, some X is it wrong, such kind of things are possible. That's why it is a tool to expedite the judicial process in the form of case management, time management, and delivery of the judgments timely, but it will never replace human intelligence.